Everybody, I want to work on a vocal technique with you for trailer, and it's called working in your growl. So this is a technique that I continue to work on. I've been working on for a long time, and different people use different versions of it. Some use it more, some use it less, and I will show you what I mean by that. So this is my normal speaking voice. This is how I sound. We're going to work on an old piece of copy because the movie's already come out. It's good. So the movie is called Jigsaw. So the script is, you know his name, you know his game. This Halloween, Jigsaw, rated R, in theaters October 27th. So that is just my normal speaking voice. But now I want to add a growl to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find a lower pitch in my voice by going like this. So I'm going to just hum and kind of let my chest fall, let the air fall out, and then get into a growl, more of a growly state. So I'm going to let my resonance kind of ride a little bit more. No, you know his name. You know his name. So I'm letting the air just kind of, you know his name. A lot of air is coming out of my mouth. So when I speak, I don't really push a lot of air because I'm just being lazy and I have to talk a lot. So I don't want to be having to do all these big breaths when I'm just casually speaking. But when it comes to read like this, you want to get nice and tight on the mic. And let's give it a growl read. So I like to say this, growl, get into the growl, growl, growl. And I like to find that pitch where I can work from. So let's do read now. Growl, growl. You know his name. You know his game. This Halloween, Jigsaw, rated R, in theaters October 27th. So that's the growly read. So everyone will be different. So I recommend just kind of making these sounds to find a nice resting place where you're comfortable speaking from, and try staying in that pitch and that tone, but being able to speak within it. So it's like a singing technique, like Don LaFontaine used to talk about, how trailer work is almost like you're singing, and then you have to go with the melodies. But obviously this is a horror movie, so let me try now combining the growl with the suspense and quiet and intimacy of a trailer read. You know his name. You know his game. This Halloween, Jigsaw, rated R, in theaters October 27th. So now, let me try to push as little air as possible with all these techniques, but I wanted to try to keep it really the growl, but not move a lot of air, and let's see what happens. So almost like whispery. You know his name. And I'm clenching my body really tight. I'm kind of writing down, getting into it. You know his name. You know his game. This Halloween, Jigsaw, rated R, in theaters October 27th. In theaters October 27th. So my knuckles turned all white during that, and I kind of tightened up, and you can hear it in my voice, right? You can hear the tension. Cool. So I wanted to explore the growl with you, and I try this technique, and let me know if it worked for you down below in the comments. All right, peace out.